It's so inspiring, first arriving, filled with aspirations. A new world of determined girls, exceeding expectations. A huge adventure, new best friends, a sense we all belong. With every turn, there's more to learn, supported, standing strong.
We work together as a team. At Wycombe, we come first. We're on the ball, we have it all. We're daring, we're diverse. We raise our game and stay engaged by everything around us. We fill each day with work and play. The range of things is boundless. From all the sports, lacrosse of course, or hockey, netball, swimming. Athletics, tennis, countless more will often catch us winning.
To music groups and dancing troupes or staging plays together. We lead debates, believe, create, progress with each endeavour. Activities, societies, for every personality. We start with our ambitions and we make them our reality.
So as we face the future now, whatever it may hold, our outlook will be passionate, empowered, kind and bold. Our time at Wycombe Abbey will stay with us all the way. Our past has made us who we are. Our future starts today.